So this is a sequence that I like to do, and I'm starting here with my fans on either side of me, and the handle part of my fans are facing forward. And it's kind of like I'm leaning up against this back wall of this imaginary cube. And the first thing that I do is I'm going to bring my fans forward as if they're tracing along the sides of the cubes. And then they're going to fold along this front wall of the cube, and they're flat because obviously the wall of the cube is flat. Then I'm going to turn them each, so my knuckles are still touching each other here, that's just turned. And then once they move away from each other, they're going to fold because it's a cube. So the top hand is folding flat up against my head here, and the bottom hand is folding flat underneath me here. And then I'm just going to go back the way I came. And I like this because it's pretty dramatic. So